This is The Life of Dre, a series where I plan to document the constant evolution of my life. Watch as I try to become a better cinematographer, entrepreneur, and most importantly, the best version of myself. Now, I like to keep my mornings for work days pretty much identical, and honestly, it just helps me personally keep a good routine. So I'm usually cooking the same exact breakfast literally every morning, which is 2 eggs made into an English muffin sandwich with some turkey bacon, and depending on if I'm extra hungry, I'll either make a bowl of oats, pancakes, or some type of hash brown. Today we're going with the hash brown. By no means do I claim to be a chef, but cooking is important and you have to have a few meals under your belt if you're trying to live by your own one day. This is my attempts at getting ready to move out and live by myself. So cooking breakfast, keeping my area clean, as well as myself clean, are all very important things that I love to take care of first thing in the morning to get me focused for the rest of my day. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and sit down in my room, really just chill for a little bit. I try my best not to get distracted throughout the day. And how I do that now is by checking my social media, watching my show or YouTube video, basically getting all the things that would distract me throughout my workday and get those out of my system. Okay, so I've just finished eating and chilling for about an hour or so. Now I gotta get ready. I'm only gonna film one TikTok today because I am going out on a shoot, filming this video, and I'll be getting clips for TikTok throughout the day. So based on that whole schedule, I just know that I'll tire myself out if I do more than one TikTok. But first things first, I can't film anything looking like this, so I'm gonna go brush my teeth, shower, and get fresh. Then I'm gonna get dressed and get ready to film some TikToks. Mine was made up. No, don't play, don't. The feeling's almost now. Mine was made up. No, don't play, don't. Now that I'm done showering and doing my face and hair routine, I'm ready to start filming. This is the Godox VL50, and I've been using this light damn near every single day for the last 2 years to film, well, basically every video that you guys seen from me. Whether that be TikTok or YouTube videos, I almost always have this light set up. And even for the vlog, I've had to use it a shit ton already just to get B-roll clips. As you can see, it's very bright, but makes the footage look super crisp. So I'm just gonna very quickly tidy up my room so I can get it presentable enough to film my TikTok. Today's TikTok that I'm creating is a promoted post, but it's not like most advertisements or promoted posts where I'm trying to recommend or sell my audience on a product. For today's video, all I have to do is use the selected sound. I can make a video about basically anything to do with fashion as long as I'm using the correct audio. So that means me being me, I gotta make something creative with a lot of transitions. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put together an outfit today. Now, when it comes to these fashion transition type videos, I'm usually not even thinking about the transition until I'm actually filming. And the first step that I usually take after getting my lights and camera set up is putting together an outfit, making sure that I like it before I even start filming. Now, I'm lucky enough to already have planned my outfit. I'm gonna be wearing these thrifted cargo pants with this white thrifted button-up shirt. I'm still trying to get off some winter, early spring type fits, so I will be layering it with this varsity jacket. And of course, the tie to accessorize with the dress shirt. For the shoes, I am gonna be wearing the mochas, then the final touch, these glasses from Amazon. I'm a very visual person, so as you can see, sometimes I even like just laying out my outfit like this to make sure that it's nice and cohesive and all the pieces and colors go together well. I was kind of going for like a business core type outfit, really just trying to mesh streetwear with a more formal approach. Now that I got my outfit, it's all about filming. I would love to give y'all some behind the scenes, but I do film my TikToks with the same camera that I make my YouTube videos with. So I'll be back in a minute when I'm done filming this TikTok. Yes, sir. I'm finally done filming, and honestly, I feel like I just created a banger. Obviously, I haven't edited any of the footage, but the ideas were flowing. I feel like I got some pretty cool transitions in, and I honestly can't wait to get to the computer and just start editing. Now, I definitely don't want to bore you guys with my editing because it may take me a cool 30 to 45 minutes to get the full TikTok done. So I'm gonna check back with y'all in just 1 second. And we're back. As you can see, I got a slight outfit change, and that's because I'm about to go out with my girlfriend and my homie Jay to go take some pictures. And although my last outfit was fire, it's currently 28 degrees Celsius or 82 Fahrenheit in my city, and as y'all know, that's pretty damn hot. So I know for a fact I was not getting away with all those layers in this weather. And before heading out to go take some pictures, let me show you the outfit that I got on. Starting with the hat, I got this custom White Sox fitted, and I actually got this sent out to me from a brand called Change by Lulu, and they actually still have the V2 version of this hat in stock. So if y'all are interested, you should definitely go check them out. Glasses, I got these ones from Zoomies for like $20 Canadian, so pretty solid pickup. Down here you can see this dope half pearl, half metal necklace. And this is from Vitaly, which was also a gift, so thank you guys so much for that. Now moving on to the shirt, I got this white camp shirt from the bins in Dallas, along with these nice, relaxed green linen pants that'll hopefully keep me cool in this very warm weather. Then finally for the shoes, you may want to call me basic, the Jordan 1 Mochas with cream laces. The full outfit for the shoot. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below. I do have to head out in about 5 minutes, and I don't really know if I'm gonna film the actual shoot. And if I decide to do so, then y'all will be seeing me in just a few seconds. So hold on to your socks and let's go take some fire pictures. He says the worst thing that's ever happened to you?
In a really long time. I just have to pee, bro.
He said, oh, spider webs. Her shit popping, ain't it? Look at her makeup. Ooh, look at the drip, look at the drip. Go ahead, show off the cakes, babe. Ooh, crispy. I didn't want to vlog, but I brought up the camera. Leave me alone,
no.
Jake.
Fuck. I was just trying to show you how big it was and I got it stuck. Sharp, bro. Feel that shit. Right here.
Oh my god.
That's my bad.
We only took like 2-3 pictures, so you guys didn't really miss much. It was a dope little cherry blossom tree that we found, but we're gonna get more of all of us. We're just trying to find a second spot. So yeah, we're gonna go do that.
Baby, what you want? Why aren't you picking out the found? Baby, what you want? Nah, I'm done blowing up your phone.
So we just finished shooting. Got some bangers. We're gonna go ahead and he's gonna drop us off. Me and T are gonna go get some food, hang out, and then later tonight, maybe later tonight or tomorrow morning, I'm gonna get to the pictures, edit them.
Let's see how they turn out. Let's see how they turn out.
Literally. So time to leave.
Damn, that bitch so bad, I might make that on my wife. Shit, I'm lying to her.
Now I'm not gonna front for the camera and act like this is something that we do all the time, like going on picnics. This is literally our first picnic that we've been on. This was T's idea. She actually asked me yesterday, so I can't take credit for it, but I thank you. Good time. And yeah, if it's warm in your city, you guys need to get outside, man. That sun just makes you feel so much better. Like for me anyways, I'm always locked up in the crib filming content. All my videos are at home. So this summer, I'm 100%, not even just me, we're 100% gonna be outside. Not only just enjoying our time, but delivering the best content for you guys, because I enjoy just chilling and slowing down sometimes. Now I finished my chips and I have about like half the burrito left. Around the same point, but you still got some chips left, right? Yeah, just a few. We're gonna go ahead and power this home. T might not be able to finish, but I'm gonna power this home. I'll pick the camera back up at the crib. I'm back at the crib and I got my Lightroom app opened up and I figured why not edit with me. This is the first location that I didn't get on the vlog, and although I don't fully love the background, me and T really do love some cherry blossoms and it was a must. Now I did slap on the preset and it didn't necessarily look right, but after tweaking a few settings, got to a pretty fire result. Now moving on to Jake. Jake always is a little bit awkward when we start shooting. Starts off slow, it takes him about 2 to 3 minutes before he gets a little bit more comfortable. He had a few awkward poses, but that's nothing that we can't work around. And it's important if you're the photographer or you have a photographer. It's very helpful if you're communicating and talking, and if I'm letting him know what looks best for his pictures, he'll do the same for me. This preset only took me about 5 minutes to create, and I used the same preset on my pictures. Obviously just fixed the settings so that it could suit my location better, but like I said, we all got some pretty fire pictures. I'm just very happy overall with the entire shoot. Now I don't want to bore you guys too much with editing talk, so I am going to spend a few minutes and edit the rest of these pictures. Then I'll see y'all in a second. Now T's still sleeping over there, so I do have to be quiet, but I finished editing all the pictures. I had 20 dope pictures that I liked of just myself, so obviously I'm gonna have to chop it down a little bit, get it to like 7 to 10 posts so I can get it on Instagram. But I did tell you I'd show you like 4 or 5 of my favorite photos, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah, overall, a really fun photo shoot and honestly an amazing day. So if you guys enjoy this, don't be afraid to hit the like button and let me know in the comments below. Now, if you're interested in learning how to edit like I do, be sure to check out this playlist here where I show you how to recreate all sorts of dope film filters from celebrities like Drake, Travis Scott, and Tory Lanez. As always, make sure to have a great day and peace.